But I said, go to our TV Africa to Pacassia. Now, yes, Ababi Mono, now ye the any as actually more a war, McCarthy Hill for now. Ye be konina ye din komo e dia fa omo e how e bi ho na e how omo e komo e bi se omo pomuden e ya de a enhye dan koyi e fi se adwumako no to aso e ya adwuma wo ho na se mpanifo anhwe amo antoto ne mayi amfa mbo ma e bedu ba bi no e de ha kese pa na baba be so e omanfo apomuden so nti omo se yipi se yipi mpanifo hwe na omo ntu ho na mo ntentem enum asem so se na mpanifo gina pawo so a omo twro mo sem e de to yanim.
McCarthy Hill Residents Association eye nsɛmtwerɛfo nhyiamu no ase no ɔpɛhene a ɔda wɔn ano amikyerema ɔyɛ adwamtenani eye chairman edi kwanu edi tudwa sɛ cement factory bi a wɔn bebue ɛwɔ McCarthy Hill ɛde efi aba mpatam wɔ na wɔn aka bebree abra wɔbɛyɛ saa cement factory yi wɔbɛto wɔn anim sɛ wɔbɛyɛ ɛyɛ paper anase akade a wɔde cement ebegum na wɔnim sɛ ɛyɛ cement no ankasa ɛna wɔde ɛyɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ɛno ɛnam so ama efi awro ɛhaw mantam wɔ ɛfo no wɔde kɔkɔbɔ akɔma wɔn ɛsan ɛde nkrata ɛkɔpue mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ bea a wodi asɛm ɛyɛ court no by court nso egyina asɛm no so a ogusu edi ɛno eti no wɔn a wɔhwɛ ahudisem eye environmental protection authority eba ebegyina mu ebe loke eye cement factory foforo a won si ewo ho no ama wansan abue adwuma ewo ho enti no wode ensem we eto abanim se onye wonmoa na omabua won efise bebi a cement factory no esi no enye emma pa a etetesa empatamo.
The purpose of this press conference is to raise public awareness to the hazardous nature of the Empire Cement Factory here and the environmental and health impact on the residents in this area. We have a document dated September 2020 from the Office of the Presidency directing the cement factory to cease the production of cement without the relevant permit. Clearly, the Office of the Presidency has failed to enforce its own directive. As citizens, we must stand up to foreign agents and businesses who attempt to destroy our communities in the name of development. We must realize that with our collective efforts, determination, strong leadership, and a sense of purpose, we can achieve just about anything for our communities. We must, however, use all legal methods and means at our disposal to protect our communities, and we shouldn't shy away from doing the right thing, even if it may be uncomfortable and risky. A warning to all politicians and public officials who kowtow to the demands of the Chinese and other foreigners with huge sums of money to invest in the country must first think about the health and safety of its people. I mean, the people of McCarthy Hill and surrounding environments have put you on notice. We strive to be citizens and not spectators.
Enu eti no wasan ede adesede ema aban se ewonu no nso won a wodi enchini wugua pamlos enchini factory enso ewo ho na pamlos dwuma wodi ni se woye enchini eboa amanfo a ewo omanga na mu apomode na cement factory yi a eben pamlos no be ha won dwumadi a wodi efise emma enchini a wonya ewo no mu no ahoden embam ama amanfo eni aban emmo won enu eti no opahini a oda pamlos adwuma no ano ede adesede to aban nim se ankwankwan adwuma a woye a ye amanfo a wo omanga na mu adwuma wo mo wani nkɔ ho enchen abefo ede titiru no eye China fo a wo besua omanga na eso
I say omo na omo hwe yeso na mo pe ompe ya asema ase nipa ye wo Ghana ha ya asema ko metma ye nchen ha ekɔ Burkina Burkina ekɔ Bolga ekɔ North ekɔ Kumasi ekɔ Techima me baby obusia bi wo the Joanne is polluted. I don't think it's good for Obia. What I say, maybe say when Chin get the FEC and FEC. Don't say mention we if Pambos and engineer if you are done if you're winning about to mean. But if the Chin don't say when I be now woody, the woman yanti umpe yan on the work Ghanaians of Asama, they should protect the salt industry because salt industry in your whole something about now Dwani. Even for infants. The engineer say like even me pada nyanchi wom. nti yo ye ina wo hwete o emfa mo de me permit cash en botuma kofo mo fi echire ba no omo life is at stake and inchine is ni obi adibi obi akozo di inchine obi odi bi dware obi odi inchine obi odi bi ye bebi sa nyama bebi nti mo say industry no engineer because Ghana in West Africa Ghana is leading we produce inchine ko Togo in produce inchine ko Nigeria produce inchine if you inchine nya for even the oil industry nya ba nya inchine na eko nti as me say industry we ewu a wende say nya kra dollar asem no e be kra inchine fi aside ba e be say